Welcome to the 3bestones.com. The following video is about the best 4-cup coffee maker. Here are the top 3 4-cup coffee makers that we have picked to make sure you don't waste your time wandering over the internet. At number 3. Elite Cuisine. The functions of this coffee maker are not complicated and are easy to understand. Its water filter is easy to install and remove for cleaning purposes. It is the best coffee maker to be carried in traveling bags because of its small size and lightweight. The highly efficient machinery inside the coffee maker provides accurate brewing results every time. The handles remain cool, that makes the lifting and pouring process easy and convenient. At number 2. Benavida 5-cup one-touch coffee maker. The most notable feature of this coffee maker is that it maintains its optimal temperature that results in a delicious coffee cup. Its exterior is made of stainless steel that protects the coffee maker's interior from getting damaged at any point. Because of its highly efficient machinery, this coffee maker can brew 5 cups of coffee within 10 minutes. Its pre-infusion mode settles down and saturates the remaining coffee beans that ensure plain coffee every time. The machine gets started with just a single button and also consists of auto shut-off features. At number 1. Zojirushi Zito 5-cup drip coffee maker. This coffee maker consists of advanced machinery that can prepare 4 to 5 cups of coffee within minutes. The water reservoir helps keep the water warm for a long time. The water reservoir is easy to remove when needed. It comes with a measuring spoon and a manual guide that helps understand the functionality of the coffee maker. The filter cone can be placed inside the coffee maker, making the coffee maker usage more convenient. It is an easy-to-clean coffee maker that does not rusty or damaged when cleaned with water. For more details, click on the link given in the description below, and thanks for watching our video. If you are new here, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.